If you want to clear your incoming, outgoing, and missed call records on your Samsung S26 Ultra, you can do it directly from the phone app in just a few moments. This is useful for keeping your call log organized, protecting your privacy, or removing old call records you no longer need. Open the Caller app. Once the app opens, tap the Recents tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section displays your complete call history, including incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Next, look for the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen and tap them to open the menu options. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Your call log will switch to selection mode, allowing you to choose specific entries or remove everything at once. To delete all call history, tap All in the top left corner of the screen. This will select every call record currently listed in your Recents tab. After confirming that all entries are selected, tap the Delete button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A confirmation message may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the selected call logs. Tap Delete or Confirm to proceed. Within seconds, all incoming, outgoing, and missed call records will be permanently removed from your call history. That's it. Your Samsung S26 Ultra call log is now cleared, helping you maintain privacy and keep your phone app clean and organized. Remember that deleting call history removes only the records from your device and does not affect your actual phone service or contacts.